Alright, we're going to do a few diagnostic tests with Zach to determine if he's got a disc problem, a joint problem, or a nerve problem. We're going to start with the slump test, which is, in my opinion, the best test for determining the severity of a disc injury. Let's have a seat right here, Zach. First thing we'll consider is left-sided leg pain, or is it the right side?
Alternates.
Alternates. Is there a side that's worse than the other?
No, they're about the same.
Okay, they're even, so we'll start with the right. If you had one side that was worse, we'd start with the opposite side to establish a normal. First thing we'll do is we'll extend the leg, looking for any increase in back pain. Any pain there?
Not pain.
We'll dorsiflex the foot. Any increase in pain there?
No.
Good. Next part of the test, we're going to extend the leg, have Zach slump forward, take a deep breath, bear down, and then we'll dorsiflex. Any increase in the back pain?
The back pain. Hamstring's kind of tight.
Hamstring tight? Good. If we would have seen that there was an increase in the localized pain or the leg pain, that would indicate the disc is bulging with all that pressure. Same test, bring it up. Back pain?
No.
Okay, let's go ahead, bring her up, slump, and Valsalva.
Oh, a little bit on the right side.
A little bit on the right side.
Only when I Valsalva them.
Okay, so what does this test mean? Well, if it's positive on increase in symptoms with this, that's a severe disc. This would be less severity, and then the most sensitive or the lightest form of disc would be when he flexes forward or slumps. Okay? So we might have a mild disc irritation from the symptoms he described. I'm going to assume we're dealing with SI joint or lumbosacral, and we'll do some tests to determine that. Face down on the table.
Pretty encouraging to be able to do some CrossFit yesterday. That's huge. That really was a tough work.
Double flexion of the knees. Any increase in low back pain there?
Left side.
Left side. We're also noting to see if his legs or his knee would have swelling, but we do see an increase in pain. So we're thinking inflammation to this area. Okay. Next, we'll go here. Extend the leg up. Any pain in there?
Oh, just discomfort, no real pain.
Okay. So this is going to load the joint, and if it's painful in here, we know we have an injury. We'll also be noting for any anterior hip pain. Come over to this side. Bring this up.
Just bring it down.
Let's bring her up. How about here, Zach?
No immediate pain, but discomfort.
Some discomfort. Okay, great. So far he's doing pretty well. We're going to test the nerve strength. Bend the knee. Hold. Good. L5. Hold. L5. Leg up. SI joint. Hold. Hold. And that's very weak. This leg up and hold. Nice and strong. So we have a left SI joint that I believe to be the culprit.
Are you rolling, or do you want to get on?
So we're going to stimulate the neurological reflex points. Leg up. So we'll activate it. Hold and down. Stimulating the nerve root and the muscle activation at the same time is called neurological upregulation. That's stimulating the nerve pathway. Leg up. Let's retest. Hold. And we definitely see an increase in pain. You can probably feel that was better, right? Alright, so we've checked that. Let's check the Deerfield. The Deerfield is an early chiropractic system of analysis utilizing leg checks and then utilizing the drop table to balance out the pelvis. So we'll start down here. And so from this position, we can see the right leg is only about 1/4 inch. In some cases, we've seen a 1/2 inch to 3/4. The second part, which you might be able to get here, is the right is now higher than the left. So his pelvis is off. Okay. What happens, the pelvis will rotate like this and misalign, which will cause the femur, the hip, to raise up or down, creating a long or a short leg.
What number?
In this case, short goes long, so that's a posterior inferior ilium on the right, anterior superior on the left. We're going to make the corrections. through here. Right through there. High velocity, low amplitude thrust through the plane line of the joint or the disc. And we see that balance out. And we go up and we see much better leg length. Okay, so we've got that. Let's bring out an oldie buddy goodie. So this is, I'm going to put pressure on the SI joint, lift this leg up as high as you can. Straight up. Alright, put her down. Bring her back up. Sorry, let's go to this side. Alright, they're even. You passed that test. Let's go to your back. Go to your back. We'll continue with our nervous system testing. Right here, L1 adductors, squeeze, squeeze. And there you had an autocorrect. Autocorrect is an engagement of the muscle in the joint. Go down to S1. We're finding that the left leg or the left side's having some symptoms or some positive signs when we test. So we'll start everything on the right. Compare it. Up and out, hold, S1, big toe up, hold. Gotta compare it right here. Okay, now we'll go big toe. And I like to double up, hold, hold again. A little weaker there. So we have an L5. Toe up, upregulate, good. Toe up, and hold. Bring her, hold, much better. Bring it in, L4, anterior tibialis, hold, up and in, hold, L4, L5, right? Pretty demonstrable on that test. Good, neurologic arc, hold, and hold, and hold. Good, and hold, good. Bend this knee, L4, hammy, pull down, good. Push up, 3, push here, hold, good. Straight leg, hold it up, hold. He's got no juice in the hip, okay. So we'll make our hip correction. Very nice. The yoke, how much you do on your yoke?
950.
How'd you do on that?
It was a grinder.
Hold it up, hold. Okay, so he's got a little weakness there. Yeah. Pull down, push up, good. Push here, good. Straight leg, hold it up, hold. So we got the big time weak right hip and the left SI joint. So that's a definite mismatch, right? All right, let's go ahead, check L3. Push right here, hold, turn your foot in, push out, hold, good. Leg up, turn the foot out, hold, turn the foot in, hold. So upper lumbar is good. It's all coming from the lumbosacral, SI, and right hip. Okay, let's check his knee. Bend this up, foot up. We'll check L5, popliteus. Push in, hold, hold. It's also positive for a tibia. So let's start with the neuro. Start with the neuro correction. Go back here. Push in, push in, push in, push. Okay. Check it. Hold. We don't see it. Neuro correction didn't fix it, so next we'll go structural. So we're going to contact right here, posterior tib. Oh, there she goes. Good. Up, in, hold. Got it. Tibia slid posterior. Let's go through here. Good. Strunskis, let's check. That's good. Good. Navicular. There we go. Okay, let's check this knee. In, hold. Good. That one's good. Let's check down. Feel your calcaneus. So we're looking for that calcaneus to move this way and that way. And his calcaneus doesn't want to invert. Let's take her here.
You're pretty good in there.
Slide up there a little bit.
Good.
There she goes. Got it. We'll go through our Strunskis.
All right.
Nice.
Yep, see the week.
The tibia can also subluxate this way and this way.
You're very welcome.
So let's check that.
Are you going back
Bend the
in?
knee. Turn the foot in.
Are you going to
Push
go
up.
back in to CrossFit?
Good. Turn the foot out. Push up. Excellent. What we're going to do
Okay, yeah.
is to test the tibia if it's gone lateral or medial. We're going to engage the lateral muscles to check for strength. Then we'll engage the medial muscles. Turn the foot out, push up, good.
Nice.
Turn the foot in,
Let me know
push
how it
up.
goes.
He's A-okay. In and out.
Very good.
So we'll do a couple other standardized disc tests.
Take it
Let's
real
see.
smooth. You got outside of
So we'll do a straight leg raiser, keeping the leg straight. We're going to slowly raise the leg up. We're looking for an increase in pain. He seems to be doing well. It's okay. Then you could, if you had pain, you would dorsiflex. That's called braggarts. We'll check this side. Doing okay? Good. Just to check, any action there? No. So his discs are in good shape. We've got a hip sublux, SI, lumbosacral on that left side. So those are some joint problems which are going to take some rest. I don't always like to hear that, but that's sometimes what you got to do. We're going to continue to the upper push. Good. Down here, hold here, arms straight. Hold. Good. Elbow into the side. Rhomboid. Pull in. Hold. Nice and strong. Here. Push. Good. Here. Push. Back this way. Push. Pull. Good. Right here. Push up. Good. Like this. Punch. And hold. Good. Right here. Arm straight. Hold. There.
Yeah,
Again.
nice.
Nice. Engaged. And hold. Very good. Was that your pec?
Yeah, I think it was.
Pull in. Pec on the Pec Test. Push. This way. Push. Do we ever go that way? Do it again. Pull. Bicep.
Yep.
Push right here. Hold. Hold. You got a little AC. Let's go neuro on that AC. The coracobrachialis test, muscle test, is how you check for an AC joint. So we'll hit the neuro. See if that fixed it. Push up, push, and it did. Bring the arm up, punch, hold, serratus, good, and hold, and hold. So we're testing the pec in two different ways. Sternal division, which is going to be this angled, so we'll test it that way. Clavicular, we'll go straight out to the side. Okay, he aced all of those. Let's check the neck. Slide up. So let's check flexors, head up, straight up, push, good. Down, bring the head over here, shrug, hold, he's good there, over here, shrug and hold, good. We can also test him in rotation, so we'll rotate here, push in, hold, good, rotate here, and push in, good. Lift it up, push it down. Okay, not seeing any weakness there. Let's check this. Both knees up, legs straight, hold it up, push it up, and hold. Hold. Okay, so we may have, do you feel pain on that?
I don't feel pain. I
Just
feel
weakness?
like it just like shuts down.
Okay, so lay on this side. Lay on that side. That is going to be L2, L3, so let's stimulate that. Go back on your back. Let's double check it, raise it up, and hold.
Better.
So yeah,
Push
big
it
time,
back.
a lot better. Come on up. Let's face the window. Let's continue through the upper portion here, upper half. This is our passive abduction test, right here. That's actually looks good. Upper myotome, go like this. Right up here, don't let me squeeze, hold, curl, and hold. Good. Push up. Good. Arms down, palms up. Push up, push down, up, and down. Good. Arms up, hold, twist, hold, twist, hold, laterally bend, hold, laterally bend, hold, good. Reach and bend.
Oh, this is
And
gonna go
hold.
well.
Very, okay, we found one. Let's check you on this side. And hold. Okay, that was a positive test right there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So that definitely concludes that he's got lumbosacral joint injury, right? Because that's going to load it. All right, cross the arms. See if we can calm it down. Let's go ahead and lead into it. You okay?
Yep.
Let's go right in here. Good. You okay there?
Yep.
Good. Let's bring it back. Good. Okay, what we're looking for is a positive response. Can you get into that position again? Arms up. Hold. Hold. How does that feel?
Like it's about to blow out.
Is it? Hold. Okay. Saw positive improvement, so we like that. We've got an issue here where we want to laser for inflammation and tissue healing. Ice is going to be a big deal with ligament injury. And then decompression and a gradual return with the back project, so maybe limited motion. And get that to tighten up. Okay, good?
Sounds good.
Pretty good.